How to get working shop app discount codes. Now in this video, I'll show you one specific resources for you to find a working discount codes by using shop app. Now take note that if you're going to be using this via your mobile device, the actual process are all the same. So before you go ahead and choose any specific items that you love in buying from shop app, you're going to have to create a new tab on your end. Now type in simply codes.com and you will automatically be redirected into their official site. Use the magnifying glass to search for the store by typing in shop and locate it at the first result. Now, as of 2026, they only have three specific codes that's going to be working, but you can also try the rest of these codes. So, all you have to do is choose your preferred code or preferred discount. Click on show code, copy the unique code and paste it into shop app. And that is how you find working shop app discount code.